Good morning, Kipsters. Today your work is on No Red Ink. Once you click the link to No Red Ink, it's going to bring you to this page and you should see your name, like I see my name, in the assignment for today. Go ahead and click this blue box anywhere. You don't have to click the triangle, click anywhere. Once you open it up, you'll see that there are 4 topics in today's practice. Make sure you complete each topic. It tells you exactly where you're going to begin, so click the Commas with the series so you can start there. Now, you'll see a lesson and you'll see the button for practice. Always click the lesson first and read through it. It shows you examples and explains certain things about how to use commas in a series or any other comma rule that may be practiced. Click the X to exit out. Then move on to the practice. Once you start with the practice, it'll look exactly like this, all right? Now, it's telling me to add or remove commas if necessary until the sentence has the correct punctuation. Graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate are 3 items Mr. Crocker always takes on camping trips. It looks like it's listing items in a series. I'm going to put commas in the places that I think that they go. Once I've added the commas, I submit my answer. Now, when you get an answer or a question wrong twice, it's going to show you what you did wrong and what the correct answer should be. It's also going to show you the lesson again. Make sure you take the time to read the lesson, review it so that you know what to do moving forward, then click Try a Similar Problem. It'll show you another question. Add or remove commas if necessary until the sentence has correct punctuation. Gary the snail and his gerbil often go for long walks. Well, it says add or remove commas, so I think I can remove one, and I don't think we need one in this sentence at all. Gary the snail and his gerbil often go for long walks. I think that's right. I said my answer. Good, that's 1. Tamika Arnold learned to sew and knit at camp last summer. I still don't think there's any need for a comma here, so I'm going to submit my answer. Notice how it has my name in it, right? Your No Red Ink account also will have your name in it, so don't freak out if you see your name. Submit my answer. I got 2 in a row, and now it's going to let me move on to the next question. Continue this process for all of your practice today. Do your best. Have a great day.